Hi guys, I'm reading War by Katy Perry. Also, this is my iPhone. Here, I'm gonna get this one up. I'm a bit of a fancy lady, as you can just see. My sister's a fancy. By Amber Where? Okay. Is that the right song? Now I know how it goes. Oh, somebody requested this. I don't really listen to this sort of music, but somebody requested it. By Amber Where? Yeah. Okay. I don't think anybody's funny. What? Riverside, Riverside. I used to bite my tongue, hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I sat quietly, but breathing quietly. I guess that I forgot I had a heart. You got my voice, running, felt for everything. Me down, but I got up. Not good up, hear my voice, you hear that sound. Let them just get a straight to the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Already cause I had enough. It out. Got the eye of the tiger. Fire, dancing through the fire. I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me. Louder, louder than a lion. I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Hear me roar. I'm floating like a butterfly, singing like a bee. I earn respect. I want my hero to my own hero. Me down, but I got up. Already got a family down. My voice, you hear that sound? Last time the gun straight to the ground. Down, but I got up. Ready cause I had enough. See it all, see it now. Got the eye of the tiger, tiger. I'm dancing through the fire. I'm a champion. Gonna hear me roar. I'm a lion. I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. You're gonna hear me roar. Oh, 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 oh. You're gonna hear me roar. You're gonna hear me roar. Listen, I know it was a bit soon, darling. I'm not going. It's just I'm a bit delicate.